draw for the Fladen competition. 5 lucky people are going to get £250 worth of gear, a reel, line, a rod and tackle. Very generous offer. All they had to do was identify these 4 fish eyes. Not quite so easy as it appeared. Anyhow, we've enlisted the help of Glyn Morgan from the Anglers' Den at Pevensey Bay to do the draw for us and keep it all fair. So 5 ones out of there.
5,
please.
okay, good luck everyone. Right, I'll give them a mix up. The first one out
show it to the camera.
Is Peter Baker. Second one out is Glenn Sewell. Glenn Sewell. Third one.
Next lucky man.
Next lucky man will be David Lyburn. Or Lyburn I should imagine. Third one, the fourth one will be, there we are, is, who's this? Richard Hooper. Richard Hooper.
And the last lucky one, to get the Fladen combo,
is, get it out, here we are, John Cody. John Cody.
Okay, that's great. So that's the 5 lucky winners picked out. You'll be getting your prizes sent through direct from Fladen in the very near future.